How to rename your email account in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click this email account's icon. This is the interface where you can create and manage your email accounts. Here it displays the list of email accounts. Click the plus sign for the corresponding email account you want to rename. Then click the Change Password Username option. Replace the old username with a new username. We need to enter a password also. Let's click this password generator icon. Then click Save button. Now copy and save the new username and password. That's it. We have successfully renamed our email account. Thank you for watching.